south at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 28. The 1 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado. Denver International Airport was partly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees. The dew point 60. The relative humidity 55%.
There's a storm.
The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.01 inches and falling. Aurora was 78 degrees.
There it is.
The winds were south at 6. Centennial Fair.
Yep.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 461 in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 16 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in north central Colorado, Larimer, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Boulder, Broomfield, Denver, Douglas, Jefferson, Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Arvada, Aurora, Boulder, Broomfield, Castle Rock, Centennial, Denver, Denver International Airport, Elizabeth, Fort Collins, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Julesburg, Kiowa, Lakewood, Lyman, Longmont, Loveland, Parker, Sterling, Thornton, Westminster, and Windsor. Primary threats include scattered large hail likely with isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter, possible scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour, possible a tornado or 2 possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. The 1